In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM backup in Hubspot. Having a backup of your CRM is essential for protecting your data against accidental deletions, integrations gone wrong, or unexpected issues. I'll walk you through a simple manual backup process directly inside Hubspot, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create and download a safe copy of your data. First, log into your Hubspot account and look for the settings icon. This is the small gear icon, usually located in the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click that. This will open your settings area, which is where HubSpot keeps most of the tools for managing and protecting your data. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different sections. Scroll through that sidebar until you find the section called Data Management. Click on Data Management to expand it. This area is where HubSpot lets you control how your data is stored, organized, and maintained. Within Data Management, you should see an option labeled Backup and Restore. Click on that. This is the dedicated space for creating backups and, if needed, restoring data from previous backups. It's a good idea to get familiar with this page because it's where you'll return whenever you need a new backup. Now, on the Backup and Restore screen, look for the button that says Create Backup. Click Create Backup to start the process. HubSpot will usually show a confirmation dialog box to make sure you really want to generate a backup, since this can be a large operation depending on how much data you have. When that confirmation appears, click Create to confirm. Once you've done that, HubSpot begins processing your backup in the background. You don't need to stay on the page while it works, but avoid making major structural changes to your data until the process is complete. When the backup is ready, you'll receive a notification inside HubSpot. In that notification, you'll see a download link for your backup file. Click the download link to save the backup to your computer or a secure storage location. Keep in mind that this link is only available for a limited time, typically 14 days, so don't wait too long to download it. For best practice, store this file somewhere safe, such as an encrypted drive or a secure cloud storage folder, and consider using a consistent naming convention with dates so you can easily find the latest backup in the future.